Good morning, friends. Today I am going to tell you a story about positive mindset. So, story is like this. There were some frogs. They were wandering here and there. कुछ frogs थे वो इधर उधर घूम रहे थे. Wander W A N D E का wander means होता है घूमना इधर उधर. Wander to move here and there aimlessly. So there were some frogs. They were wandering here and there. So two of them fell into a pit. उनमें से दो फ्रॉग एक गड्ढे में गिर गए. पिट मीन्स होता है गड्ढा. So other frogs who were on the ground, जो frogs ground में थे, they were shouting that you have fell down in the pit and it is not possible for you to get out of it. कि तुम उस गड्ढे में गिर गए हो और तुम्हारे लिए ये पॉसिबल नहीं कि तुम उससे बाहर आ जाओ. But they both were making efforts to get out of it. पर दोनों प्रयास कर रहे थे कि इस गड्ढे से बाहर आ जाए. And the frogs on the ground they keep shouting and repeating again and again. बार-बार वो रिपीट कर रहे थे, चिल्ला रहे थे. Don't make any efforts, be there. You cannot come out. कोई प्रयास मत करो, वहीं रहो और तुम बाहर नहीं आ सकते. But still they both were trying. And this happened for quite a few times. ये कई बार वो बार-बार मना करते हैं और ये बार-बार प्रयास करते हैं. So one frog got tired, he got exhausted. एक frog बहुत थक गया, exhaust हो गया, and he got weak और वो weak हो गया, and then he died there और वो वहीं के वहीं मर गया. So the frogs who were on the ground they said again that you also don't make any efforts, otherwise you will die like your friend. कि तुम भी कोई प्रयास न करो, नहीं तो तुम भी अपने फ्रेंड की तरह मर जाओ. बट ही वॉज मेकिंग एवरी एफर्ट टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट. पर वो हर एक प्रयास कर रहा था ताकि वो बाहर आ पाए. एंड फाइनली ही मस्टर्ड अप हिज करेज. और फाइनली उसने अपना सारा साहस इकट्ठा किया. ही गेदर्ड ऑल हिज स्ट्रेंथ. और पूरी स्ट्रेंथ उसने गेदर की. एंड देन ही मेड एन एफर्ट टू गेट आउट ऑफ द पिट विद फुल स्ट्रेंथ. फिर उसने पूरी स्ट्रेंथ के साथ बाहर आने की कोशिश की. And the very next moment, the frog was out of the pit. और अगले ही पल फ्रॉग जो है गड्ढे से बाहर था. जैसे ही वो बाहर आया, he said to the frogs that thank you very much for motivating me, and I am grateful to you. So other frogs said, we didn't motivate you. हमने तो मोटिवेट किया ही नहीं. हम तो ये बोल रहे थे कि instead we were saying that don't make any effort. Then the frog explained that कि frog ने उनको explain किया कि I am deaf, मैं सुन नहीं सकता. So friends, the frog who was deaf, he was thinking that my friends on the ground are motivating me, and he assumed that he was listening to positive words. And the other frog who died, he was listening the negative words. So in the frog which died, he was attracting the negative energy, and the frog who came out of it, he was attracting and activating the positive energy. That's why he was able to get out of the pit. So friends, you must be around the people who are positive and they activate your positive energy. Don't be around the people or in the company of the people who deactivate or drain your energy. Thank you very much for